If you're building apps that need to store or fetch data, connecting to a database like MySQL is a game changer.
Today, we're tackling exactly that: how to connect your Python script to a MySQL database, create a table, and insert data, all in a Jupyter Notebook. No fluff, just practical steps. By the end, you'll have a working students table with sample records.
Make sure you have MySQL installed and running on your machine or a server. Install the mysql-connector-python library with pip install mysql-connector-python and python.env for handling secrets. Oh, and create a .env file in your project root with these vars: dbhost, dbuser, dbpassword, and db_name. Security first. Never hard code those.
Let's jump in. We'll build this cell by cell.
First things first, imports. In your first notebook cell, we'll bring in the essentials. Import mysql.connector. That's our bridge to MySQL.
From .env, import load.env. This loads environment variables safely.
And import OS. For grabbing those variables, next cell, load.env. Just one line, load_.env. This pulls in your .env file without exposing secrets in code. Run it, boom, your credentials are loaded into memory.
Now the heart of it, establishing the connection. In a new cell, write We're using os.getEnv to fetch those environmental variables dynamically. Port 3306 is the default for MySQL. Change it if yours is different. Run this, and if everything's set up right, no errors. But let's confirm.
Time to verify. New cell. Run it. You should see successfully connected, followed by your server version, like 8.0.43, and the database name you specified. If not, double-check your env variables or MySQL service. Cursor here? It's like a pointer to run SQL queries. Think of it as your database remote control. Great! Connected. Now, let's create a table.
This SQL creates a students table with an auto-incrementing ID as primary key, required name, and optional age, grade, email. Run it, no output? That's good. It means success. Check in your MySQL Workbench or phpMyAdmin to see the new table.
Tables are empty. Let's add data. Start simple. One record. New cell. Right?
Notice the %s placeholders? They prevent SQL injection by safely passing params. Execute many executes the query. Commit saves it to the DB. Run, record inserted. And there it is. John Doe's in the table.
Scaling up. Multiple inserts at once. Execute many loops through the list efficiently, way faster than single executes. Run it. 5 records inserted. Your table's now populated.
And that's it. You've connected Python to MySQL, built a table, and loaded data. This foundation opens doors to querying, updating, or even web apps with Flask or Django.
If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Python goodness, and drop a comment. What's your next DB challenge? Querying data? Joins? Let me know.
Thanks for watching. Code on, and I'll see you in the next one.